Aloha and welcome to Hideaway Cove here in Poipu Beach. Our air-conditioned Beachcomber studio is located in our 2307 building. You can park in any one of the 6 gravel parking places here in front of the building and then walk up the center sidewalk, and after you've gone just a little bit, bear to your right here and continue on the sidewalk and then take your first left to the covered lanai for the Beachcomber, where you'll find your keys in a sealed envelope here in a box by your front door that says Beachcomber. One nice feature of the Beachcomber is the beautiful covered lanai that's here, and it enables you to have outdoor dining. You can also sit and relax in these chairs and barbecue something on your stainless steel propane barbecue. For more information, please see our website at www.hideawaycove.com. Click on Accommodations and Rates, and at the top of the page you'll find a lot of useful information, including how far we are from the beach, shopping, and groceries, plus all the many amenities included in our vacation rentals. You'll want to scroll down a little further for more detailed information on the air-conditioned Beachcomber studio. You might also be interested in our air-conditioned Dolphin studio and our air-conditioned Coral one-bedroom. Feel free to email us at info@hideawaycove.com or call on our toll-free line at 866-849-2426.